Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I have something to speak about tonight, and thanks for joining me in my channel. I'm going to speak about some observations that I've been coming across or I've been observing, and this has to do mostly with what we do in life. And there is one thing that I want you people to know, that the moment you stop giving something, the moment you stop dropping benefits somewhere in your friendship, in your relationship, or wherever, that is always the end of the relationship, the end of a friendship, the end of the two of you, or what is connecting you. That's how cruel the world is. It does not matter what, but that moment you stop giving that what you have been giving in that whatever relationship, friendship, whatever, that is the end of everything. Like, in this world we are living in, nobody cares about the other. Nobody even cares how or when or what you undergo to bring something on the table. Nobody cares about that. What people care about much, and what people even look for sorry, much, is that what you bring on the table. My friend, if you cannot bring something on the table, trust me and believe me, no one will even care about you. No one will even look about you. No one will find out what you're going through or how you're doing or anything. My friend, you will help people. You're going to do things for other people. You're going to sacrifice things for other people. But that moment you stop giving, that moment you stop bringing something on the table, that will be the end. Like, really, the end. The end of you. The end of what, and the end of you two, or the end of what you are having together with the same person. We are living in a very cruel world, a world that nobody cares about the other, a world that nobody is interested to know how and what hardships you undergo. How are you doing? How is everything? Can I give you love without conditions? Can I give love unconditionally? We are living in a world that does not believe in love unconditionally. Anything that you share, anything that you give, any love that you give has to be with conditions. This is how cruel the world is. Nobody cares about you. Nobody even wants to know how you're doing. Nobody wants to know why you stopped bringing something on the table. What they want is benefits from you. Like, really, benefits. You will do a lot to people. You will help a lot. But don't await those people to be there for you when you need something, because they will not be there. They will not appear. They will not even look after you. That's how it is. Thanks.